Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 550, and today I am going to discuss about the human trial of coronavirus vaccine because lot of people are inquiring about this vaccine and some of them are very excited that in Oxford the human trial has started. It looks like that within 1-2 months time we are going to get vaccine. So the chemistry of vaccine is very important. We all should know, and at the same time, uh, we should tell our masses, population, children, family members, youth, senior citizen, everybody. We should give some little scientific knowledge, some understanding about one thing, that coronavirus has come to stay with us. Coronavirus is part of our lifelong. We have to live with coronavirus. We are going to live in coronavirus world. Just like H1N1 virus came, in 80s HIV virus came, Ebola virus came, and they are still existing and we are living with them. So for coronavirus, there is some modification is required in our lifestyle, and that modification first is social and physical distancing. You should not think that the moment our lockdown or social distancing or physical distancing is over means we will rush everywhere. No, we have to be careful even after this post lockdown period. Always we have to maintain our physical and social distancing. There is no need of very big ceremonies like naming ceremony or marriage ceremony, inviting hundreds and thousands of people together rushing. No, we change it. We have to even change our houses where there should be more cross ventilation. And even if it is not there, we should now start doing this. That when the more oxygen is there, more flow of air is there, air current is there, little chance of coronavirus is staying inside, indoor in our houses. Then always taking care hygienic condition, washing our hands, even if we are keeping Megadi outside, whether he is putting mask or not, what type of mask. The poor people, they have to put always mask because it is going to stay. And poor people cannot afford to buy every second day, third day mask, maybe spending 100 to 100 naira. So there should be simple 2-layer cotton mask, and once they put in the evening, let us come and wash it with detergent or soap and then dry it again in the morning. You can use it, reuse it like that. So that is lifestyle we have to change. Now let us come to this vaccine. Actually, vaccine is not any chemical substance or any tablet or any synthetic material. It is some biological material, and that vaccine is the small part of that virus or the whole genetic material after destroying the protein or fat layer. For example, if suppose there is RNA, and this is RNA and it is covered with protein and fatty layer. So once you remove this protein or fatty layer and only RNA is there, and this RNA is genetic material. So this genetic material, after removing the fat and protein layer, it is the material for vaccine. Now it will be inactivated, and this inactivated virus genetic material is injected in our body, and that provides immunity. That is the basic principle of vaccine, and there are 3 methods used to manufacture the vaccines. So Here, let me tell you that there are three uh, types of production of these flu vaccines. One is called egg based, second one is called cell based, and third one is called DNA based vaccine. In the case of egg based, here in the egg the viral strain is injected and it is allowed to grow, and once it is fully grown, then the fluid is taken out and the grown viruses are isolated and purified, and then it is inactivated. After that inactivation, the viral vaccine will be ready. In the case of cell vaccine, here the mammalian cell is used. Previously, during smallpox time, sometimes they use to use this cow or horse cells, and nowadays these animal cells are used, and inside the animal cells this viral strain is injected and it is allowed for a few weeks or even up to 1 month, 2 months to grow, to get cultured and get the colony of virus. Then again the same procedure, it is isolated, purified and inactivated for vaccine purpose. In the case of DNA vaccine, this viral strain is injected in double helix DNA, that is called plasmid, and once plasmid is ready, that plasmid is injected in our body cell, and then that cell will get that plasmid and will work as vaccine. And here the advantage of DNA vaccine is that it is complete and it also helps to increase the killer T cell, that is called dendritic cells, which is capable of recognizing the virus protein. So this is actually vaccine manufacturing and the concept. And here when we say human trial, what confusion we are having, it should not have. People are thinking that maybe within 2 weeks time or 1 month's time it will be ready. No, human trial means they have started checking it in phases, first phase, second phase, third phase, maybe first in 100 people, then maybe 1000 people, then maybe 10,000 people, and then that is double blind method, means where they will keep two groups. In one group they will put saline water, in other group they will put the vaccine, and they will check for months what is happening, whether the vaccine is working or not working, or even if it is working, for how long it will work. Because most of the influenza or flu vaccine, they are not working for lifetime. Mostly they are working for 1 year. The second season means November is starting, again they may get the influenza. So all these complexities and lot of chemistry is involved. So we should not think that it is a magic stick and once human trial is done, vaccine is ready. No, it will take still maybe 6 months, maybe 1 year. And after that we are not sure whether it is for lifetime or all the senior people above the age of 70, they are covered or not. So this is what about the vaccine, and we should educate. Let all the masses should understand the meaning of this trial, vaccine, plasma therapy, antiviral drugs. Because in some countries, people are having confusion, Asian, African countries. They are saying that we don't want to be a guinea pig to be tested. In some Asian countries, they are saying that no, they are putting nanochips so that they will collect our all secret personal information. Some are saying that no, it is going to affect our potency and maybe some hormonal disturbance will be there. So this is all a rumor. Basically, for infectious virus disease, the best option, the best method of treatment is vaccine. That is the best method. So please accept and don't allow any rumor to go here and there. Masses should understand Today it needs understanding. Today we should know that in future, means after lockdown period, that is called post lockdown time, will not be the same. We have to change our thinking. We have to change our attitude. We have to teach our children, everybody, little basic knowledge of chemistry and science to understand the disease, COVID-19. So these are all very, very important for everybody to understand. So this is about the vaccine. So vaccine, human trial doesn't mean it is ready. Human trial means it is in the process. And if we are lucky, if they are successful, it is working. Still we have to see, is it for lifetime or for 1 year, or whether all 70, 80 age group people are covered or not. And here mainly people are dying, those who are having very weak respiratory lung, and because of oxygen deficiency, some organ failures are there. So it is actually the reaction, I mean the oxidation reduction means you are taking oxygen and then again releasing the oxygen. The lung must work as a spongy cell. That I am going to discuss in the next lecture. So now here I have given egg-based flu vaccine, cell-based flu vaccine, and then recombinant or DNA vaccine. Egg-based vaccine. The grown virus is injected in the fertilized eggs and it is incubated for several days to allow the viruses to replicate. The fluid containing viruses is harvested from eggs and then it is inactivated and purified in the form of vaccine. Number two, that is cell-based vaccine. There is also cell-based manufacture of flu vaccine, and here the virus is allowed to grow in the cells, that is mammalian cells. And the mammalian cells are cultured in place of chicken eggs, allowed to replicate the virus for few days, and then it is purified and inactivated and is ready for vaccination. Vaccination means when you are putting the vaccine to have the immunity, that is called vaccination. Then DNA vaccine are made by placing the genetic material or viral strain into circular DNA structure called plasmid. And these plasmid enters the cell structures, begin to produce proteins which generate the immune response. The immune response is more complete with DNA. It also stimulates the production of killer T cells, and it is dendritic cells. This dendritic cell is a real super protein in our body that is protecting us, that's all. And if we are getting any viral infectious disease, even in cancer disease, it means our T killer cells or dendritic cells are not there to recognize. It is a total immune failure. Our immune system is totally failed if we are getting all these diseases. It is the dendritic cells helps in recognition of these coronavirus protein molecules and kill them. So with this I will stop here. Thank you very much, and in the next lecture I am going to discuss about how we are dying because of deficiency of oxygen. That is main thing is oxygen. Thank you very much.